Herkese merhaba, I'm Ayşin Önder. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 7 facts about Turkish language. If you try to learn Turkish, you might find Turkish grammar as challenging at the beginning, but from my own experience, I can say that after a little bit of time and effort, you can learn it easily. I'm not saying that Turkish is easy, but every language has its own system and mentality. So when we learn a new language, we should open our mind to learn something different. So let's see the 7 facts about Turkish. Turkish is very systematic language. For me, learning Turkish grammar is like making a puzzle or Lego. When you take the one piece, you only need to put it to the right place. If you learn to do that, the system works. Grammar is almost completely regular, so you don't need to deal with lots of exceptions. Turkish is an agglutinative language. So what does it mean? It means that suffixes are added to the roots of word to make new words, even sentences. So what is suffix? Suffix is a letter or group of letters added to the end of the word to form a new word or to change the grammatical function. So each suffix has its own grammatical function in Turkish. Let's see the example. Kitap means book. So when I add lar suffix, kitaplar makes books. Kitapçı is book seller. Kitaplık is the book shop. So each suffix has its own meaning and function. Turkish is written as it is spoken, which is good, and the same letter always indicates the same sound, and one letter has one sound and never ever change. Okay, when you learn the sounds of the letters in Turkish, all you need to do is connecting to sounds. So let's see this example. And we are connecting the sounds. So this is A, this is R, this is B in Turkish. So we are connecting the sounds. A, ra, ba, which means car. So another example, it's K, E, D, and E. So when we read it, we are connecting the sounds K, D, which means cat in English. Turkish is one of the vowel-rich languages. There are 8 vowels in Turkish. A, E, I, O, U, and Ü. Turkish has vowel harmony system, and the vowel harmony is one of the most fundamental and important aspects of Turkish grammar. Turkish word order is subject, object, and verb. Okay, word order is subject, object, and verb. Ben kitap okuyorum, which means I am reading book or a book. So subject, object, and verb.
Noun subject
is the absence of a subject in a sentence. The personal pronoun suffixes added to verbs make the subject clear. Okay, I want to say I'm reading in Turkish. I am reading. And ben okuyorum. I can say this sentence without using this because, as I told you, and we are adding the suffix, personal pronoun suffix at the end of the verb, make the subject clear, and this suffix shows the person. So I can say either okuyorum or ben okuyorum is the same. So if I want to say you are reading, I'm writing sen okuyorsun. So as you can see, I changed the suffix to show the person. So sen, sun makes you are reading. So sun indicates you. Unlike in some languages, Turkish nouns don't have gender, which makes learning vocabulary easier. And no gender in personal pronouns either. Ben is I, sen is you, and o in English, he, she, and it. So no gender for third person pronouns in Turkish.
Sonraki videoda görüşmek üzere, hoşça kalın.